Hello everyone, I hope you're having wonderful time crocheting. Today I'll be sharing with you this modified pattern. It's like a combination of block stitch and front treble post. The terminologies we use in our tutorials are usually US. So we are going to use two colors of DK yarn. You can use any contrasting colors. We'll be using a pair of scissors, a needle to weave in the ends later on, and I'll be using a 4mm hook. It's not visible that much in the slide, but it's 4mm. Okay, so let's start with the pattern. Now for this pattern we'll be using multiples of 4. So I'm going to start with the 20 chains and add one for the edge. So you are going to be doing it in multiples of 4, 20, 24, like this. Okay, let's start with the slip knot. We're going to chain 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now chain 3 extra and we are going to make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, and we are going to double crochet in each chain. We'll double crochet across till the end, and that will be 20 double crochets plus the one chain 3 edge we made in the start. So we have 21 double crochets including the chain 3 edge. Now we are going to start round number 2. I just did a single crochet, I just did a chain 1, and I'm going to do a single crochet in the same last stitch. Here's my single crochet. Now I'm going to do chain 3, one, 2, 3, that's chain 3, and I'm going to skip 3 stitches of round number 1, and in the 4th stitch I'm going to do one single crochet. So this is round 2, one single crochet in the edge 1, 3 chains, skip 3 double crochets from the previous round and do a single crochet in the 4th stitch. We are going to repeat this pattern till the end, and at the end of the round 2 you should have 15 chains and 6 single crochets. 2 single crochets in the one was at the beginning and the other one is going to be at the end. We have reached our end. This is the second last single crochet, that's 3 chains, and after skipping 3 stitches we are going to do a single crochet in the chain 3 we did in round 1, the top of chain 3, the last. Now turn your work, and here we are going to start round number 3, but before starting round number 3 we are going to change the color. So I have a grey color here. Make a slip knot, insert your hook from the previous round, take it out from here, secure the edges, tighten them a bit, check your tension, and now we are going to start round number 3. Now we are going to chain 3 to build up the height, and we are going to do 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space of the previous round. 3 double crochets here, and now we are going to do a front post treble. Alright, and we are going to do this front post treble skip these 3 double crochets from round number 1, and we are going to go across the 4th double crochet. Here is the 4th double crochet. Go across it from the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over 2, yarn over 2, and yarn over again. So this is our pattern. We are going to repeat this pattern. Do 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, and then a front post treble in the 4th double crochet of round number 1. We are going to skip the single crochet we did in round number 2, and we are going to do the front post treble in the 4th double crochet of round number 1. Double crochets, front post treble, 3 double crochets again in the chain 3 spaces, a front post. This is the last one. Now, yes, we are going to do in the 4th double crochet of the first round we did. Chain 3, and the round is going to end here now. We have done chain 3, the last ones, and now we are going to do 1 double crochet in the single crochet we did from the previous round. Here is double crochet. Alright, now we are going to chain 1. Turn our work and do a single crochet in the same stitch. Yes, chain 3 again, skip 3 stitches, a single crochet in the 4th chain, 3 chains again. So round number 4 is just as round number 2. The same way we did round number 2, we are going to do round number 4, and round number 5 will be same as round number 3. Now I just did this pattern using 2 colors. You can use more colors like this. You can use rainbow colors, and this pattern is very nice for making hats, scarves, and especially blankets. It's an easy one and gives a very good look. We are going to change color. I'm going to take the red color, the red yarn, pull it through the last one, and I'm going to start the round with it. 3 chains, again 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space, and then we are going to do the front post treble. We are going to skip the single crochet, go down, and time to make a front post treble. There. Okay, now this is a repeat pattern. It's going to go on. I hope you can understand it. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please do comment below. I hope I was able to help you with the pattern. See, now you can see it is just making the same. See, this was the blue one and the red one. The gray is for gray. Now, as for the beginners who are not yet very practiced with the front post treble, just remember that it's just like double crochet. It's just where you insert the hook and where you take it out. After doing these 3 double crochets, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook across the last front post treble you made, pull your yarn. Yes, now you're going to yarn over and pull through the yarn over 2 threads, again 2, and that is your front post treble. 3 double crochets ahead. This is round number 5. I'm completing it here, and now I'm going to change colors. I did not cut my yarn because I usually, when the round is not that big, I can finish off the edges while doing single crochet across. That's another story. Of course, I'll be teaching you that one day. And oh, there's something I'm so happy to tell you, that we have reached 100 subscribers today, which is a great milestone for us. Thank you for letting us grow. And do please visit us on our social media handles. Again, I'm doing a front post treble. Insert your hook, pull through, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook across the front post treble you did it previously. Alright, here it is done. This was the first one. Do try it. It's a very easy one. There's nothing to do. Just double crochets and a front post treble. Thank you.